In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons on Square appointments with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Square user or new to the platform, understanding how to add additional options to your services can enhance your business offerings and improve customer satisfaction. Let's begin by heading over to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app on Square's website. You can do this from any browser of your choice. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Square account. For those who might be new to this, you'll find the sign in option typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and log in using your registered email and password. This will take you to your personalized Square dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a host of options available on the left-hand menu. You want to navigate to the section labeled Items and Services. This area is essentially the heart of where you manage what your business offers, so click on that to proceed. With that clicked, your screen will show several other subsections related to your items and services. From here, locate the option called Options. This is where you'll be able to customize and manage the add-ons for your services. Clicking on Options will direct you to a new page where you can begin enhancing what each of your services offers. Once you're on the Options page, you are looking for a button labeled Add Options. This is your gateway to creating new add-ons, providing flexibility and extended choices for your customers. Go ahead and click on Add Options. This will bring up option-specific settings. Our next step involves creating an option set. Think of an option set as a collection of related add-ons that your customers can choose from when they book an appointment. You want to click on Create an Option Set. This is where you can tailor your add-ons to fit your service needs. For instance, if you're running a salon, your option set may include add-ons like extra conditioning treatments or scalp massages. Take a moment here to carefully consider what new possibilities or enhancements your customers might appreciate. Clicking on this will bring up a form where you can input details for your add-ons, such as names, descriptions, and prices. Spend some time crafting these details effectively to reflect exactly what the customer will receive. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the steps to add personalized add-ons to your services in Square Appointments. By customizing these options, you're not only enhancing your service offerings, but you're also adding more value to your customer experiences. Thank you for following along with today's guide. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights to optimize your business operations using Square.